Are you tired of paying extra mortgage fees every month? Private mortgage insurance, or PMI, can add hundreds to your bill. But what if there was a way to remove it and save money? Let's talk about refinancing. This method can help eliminate PMI, but timing is crucial. When interest rates are low and your credit score is up, refinancing is a smart move. However, if rates are high, or you plan to sell soon, it might not be worth it. 3 powerful benefits of refinancing include: first, lower monthly payments, giving you instant savings. Second, the potential to switch to better loan terms. Finally, removing PMI helps you keep more money in your pocket each month. Unlike other options, refinancing can adjust your loan to below 80% LTV, allowing you to shed PMI effectively. Check your current loan, explore your refinancing options, and take control of your monthly payments today.